And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, a lot of big flooding in far northern Australia right now. Northern Queensland, northern territory of Australia. This image is from the Australia Bureau of Meteorology. You can see some of the flooding recorded there in the past day or two. But in Argentina, it's a different story. It's a historic drought. It's been a rough summer in Argentina anyway, but they're in the midpoint of summer. The corn's tasseling down there in the Pampas region, and it is drying up majorly. And we've had a massive heat wave over about the past week. Now, this is all interconnected to our area. Watch where the white, bright clouds are here. This is where the heavy rain is from Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, northern Australia, right in this zone. When you have a lot of really heavy rain right here, that tends to bring a wet phase to California and a mild phase to our area. This is the MJO. When it's a warm, wet phase, you get the idea. But anytime you have a lot of rising motion here, what's happening on the other side? The air is sinking and you don't get much rain down this way. So a lot of this really heavy rainfall here, a lot of this moisture can get picked up and pulled towards California. So you develop these atmospheric rivers that are tied to what's happening towards Indonesia, northern Australia. Also, the water in the Pacific is abnormally warm in this region. So it only intensifies the atmospheric river coming into California. That's why it's been so bad. So in this pattern, it's mild here. There's not much really cold air in the U.S. and it's very, very wet in California. But boy, is the pattern going to change. January 22nd through February 12th, look what happens. The rain shuts off in California. It's warm and dry in the west. It's very cold and snowy in the eastern U.S. Things are going to completely flip, and we've got some rough winter weather ahead down the road. But in the meantime, little fog tomorrow morning, little fog later tomorrow evening, and in between, little sun, perhaps an isolated shower or two with a lot of cloudiness tomorrow, and a high of 46 with 43 to 47 doing it for highs area-wide. A lot of clouds Wednesday, a little fog in the morning, south wind mild again. 45 to 50 for your high, 50 Petersburg, 47 Lafayette, 46 at Monticello. So again, watch right there. See that? Maybe an isolated shower or two tomorrow. Then just a lot of cloudiness and dry, but look at what happens on Thursday. Here comes the rain in from the south. This is Thursday morning, and that rain continues into the afternoon. But look at this. The colder air starts to come in late afternoon and evening. A period of snow is possible, and some snow showers are possible on Friday. Can't rule out a little very minor accumulation, mainly on grassy and elevated surfaces, and that would tend to be later Thursday into Thursday night and Friday morning. With a 33 on Friday, temperatures falling after a high of 42 on Thursday, 36 Saturday, windy, warmer on Sunday. Then here comes that other storm. Rain and windy on Monday, rain Tuesday, then a break, and then another storm with rain in 50s on Thursday. But like I said, after all this, it gets much, much colder in late January.